Moving on to 14, the cost of using a telephone in a hotel meeting room is 20 cents per minute, or $0.2. Which of the following equations represents the total cost C in dollars for H hours of phone use? Now, one way to do this is to understand that in H hours you have 60 H minutes, and then you go from there, and that will give you the answer. Let's take a look at that. The cost would be $0.2. Remember, we're doing it in dollars. $0.2. You can do 2.0. It's the same thing. And then in H hours, you'll have 60 H minutes. And this gives you the answer of A. However, there's a clinical way to do it that's very, very robust, and it's impossible to get it wrong because you're going logically. And that's to say, all right, we're going to start with H hours. We're going to start with H hours. And we're going to keep multiplying until we have an answer. That matches what we want. So we have hours here. We have minutes here. We understand that in 1 hour you're going to have 60 minutes. These will cancel. And that's where 60H comes from. And now we understand that per minute it's dollars of 0.2 for every 1 minute. I'm getting that right from here. $0.2 per 1 minute. And these will cancel. And now we multiply everything. We have H times 60 times 0.2. The denominators are all 1, so you end up with H times 60 times 0.2. And that's the answer. And if you rearrange it a little bit, I'll put 0.20. If you rearrange it a little bit, it looks exactly like option A, because they have 0.2 there. We do as well. They have times 60, we have times 60, and they have H. Basically, they just rewrote whatever we have here as 0.20 and then 60H in there, which is exactly what we have. Multiplying is commutative. You can move things around to match what they have. So this way, it's impossible to get it wrong because the units have to line up nicely and everything has to cancel perfectly. And this way, you get the answer of A.